Hello students. So today we'll continue with the problems on functions, that is to check whether a given function is 1 1 or onto. Okay, I hope by now you are clear what do you mean by 1 1 function and onto function. So 1 1 function is distinct elements from the domain. So what do you mean by 1 1? Distinct elements from the domain should go to distinct images. Okay, if you have two elements from the domain having same image, then that particular function is not 1 1. Okay, what do you mean by onto? Onto function is if you take any element from the codomain set, that should be an image of some element from the domain set. Okay, or in simpler words you can say that range should be equal to codomain. Now what do you mean by range? Range is nothing but set of all it is the set of all images under F. Okay, so if you get range is equal to codomain, then you can say that the particular function is onto. Okay, so today we'll check what is our question. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to greatest integer x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where this is nothing but denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So I hope you know what you mean by greatest integer function, which we have studied in our first few classes, and we have drawn the graph also, what kind of function it is, what is its domain, what is its range, everything we have studied. So what is greatest integer function? How we will define it? So if you have f of x is equal to, greatest integer function is denoted in this form. What is f of 1.25? What is f of 1.25? You have to write the integer which is less than or equal to 1.25. Okay, so you have 1.25. What is the nearest integer which is less than 1.25? It is 1. So what should be the greatest integer of 1.25? It should be 1. Now coming to, suppose f of 2. F of 2. What is the greatest integer less than what is the greatest integer less than or equal to x? If you take 2, 2 itself is an integer, so this is itself the greatest integer, so that becomes 2. Okay, I hope you remember what was the domain. Domain is AR, and what did we get as range? Range we got it as Z. Correct? The integers, because whatever value you take, whatever real number you take for f of x, you will get the answer to be always an integer. Suppose you have a negative number f of minus 0.54, correct? Minus 0.5. What is the integer? What is the integer which is less than minus 0.5? We know minus 1 is always less than minus 0.5. So the answer should be minus 1. I hope you are clear with the greatest integer function. In case if you have any doubt, go through your textbook, there you will see the graph also. So the domain will be R and range is always Z, because you will get the answer as always integers. Okay, so now we have to show that the given function is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. When you have to show it is false, that is it is not 1 1, what did I say? You have to take an example. Okay, what is the definition of the 1 1 function? Distinct elements from the domain should go to distinct elements in the codomain. Suppose you have to show that it is not 1 1, you should find an element, you should find two elements which has same image. If you can find two elements which has same image, then you can say that that particular function is not 1 1. Okay, so what examples you can take? You can take many examples. So just think about it, what kind of examples you can take to show that the given function is not onto 1 1. So if you take f of 2.5, what is f of 2.5 under greatest integer function? You have to write the integer which is less than or equal to 2.5. So what is the integer less than or equal to? Whether 2.5 is an integer? No. So what is the integer less than 2.5? It is 2. So f of 2.5 is 2. Now what is f of 2.1? F of 2.1. F of 2.1 is also, you have, whether 2.1 is an integer? No. If it is an integer, you should write the same thing. Since it is not an integer, you should write an integer which is less than 2.1. What is the integer less than 2.1? It is 2. Okay, so you can see that even if you take 2.5 also, you are getting the image as 2. 2.1 also is giving the image as 2. So you can see two distinct elements, two different elements has same images, correct? Two different elements has same images, which means that the given function is not 1, 1. In order to be 1, 1, what was the rule? Distinct elements should give distinct images. But you can see that distinct elements are giving you the same image. So the given function is not 1, 1. Okay. So in order to show that f is not onto, okay, what you had to prove? You have to show that whatever element you take from the codomain, it is an image of some element in the domain. Okay, so what is our domain here? Domain is real number. What is a codomain? Codomain is also real number. Okay, if I take any number over here, 1.2, 2.2, 3.2, okay, what is the image of 1.2? 1. What is the image of 2.2? 2. What is the image of 3.2? 3. So you can see that only integers are being taken as images, correct? Because of this function, only integers are the images. What about the other non-integer real numbers? So that are not the image of any numbers in the domain set. So which means, or else you can say that, since we know that the range of a greatest integer function is always integers and our codomain is real numbers, we can clearly say that range of greatest integer function, or here it is f of x, is not equal to codomain. What is range of f of x? That is z. It is not equal to codomain. What is codomain of f? Here it is r. Therefore the given function is not onto. I hope you are clear why it is not onto, because you can see whatever elements you take from the domain, it is mapped to only integers. But our codomain contains non-integer real numbers as well, which is not an image of any number. That's why the given function is not onto. Thank you.